This will be another week of cleanup for folks in northern Colorado recovering from the devastating floods. The week is starting with some wet weather that's just starting to move out of the area, but Denver set a record for the most rainfall on a September 23rd already, and they're still seeing some showers in the area, but this will move out. Beautiful weather with highs in the 70s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but then on Friday a major storm system comes through. It doesn't look like a big rainmaker, but it will bring a big drop in temperatures. In fact, highs Friday may struggle to reach 50 degrees in the Boulder area.